If you start your day at 6 a.m., you've already lost it. I know what the productivity gurus tell you. They tell you to wake up at 5 a.m. or 4:30 a.m. Take a cold plunge, drink your greens and get to work. But here is the truth they won't tell you. If you wake up without a decree already written, you aren't a leader. You are a firefighter. You're waking up to the world's demands. You are opening your phone to see who needs you, what fire started while you were sleeping, and what your inbox has decided your priorities should be. Now that is the life of a subject. A subject reacts. A subject waits for instructions. A subject is tired before the coffee even kicks in. But a kingdom architect operates differently. True dominion doesn't begin when the sun comes up. True dominion begins while the world is still asleep. In this video, I'm going to show you the Night-0 secret. I'm going to show you why your morning routine is failing because your evening routine is non-existent. By the end of this, you'll know how to win your day before your head even hits the pillow. Let's look at the blueprint of all blueprints. The book of Genesis, chapter 1 and 5. It says something peculiar. It says, "And there was evening, and there was morning, the first day." Did you catch that? In the kingdom economy, the day does not start with the sun. The day starts with the sunset. God established a rhythm of rest and order preceding light and execution. He set the boundaries in darkness so that when the light appeared, it had a structure to fill. Think about Nehemiah. Before he ever started rebuilding the walls of Jerusalem, what did he do? He went out at night while everyone was asleep. He surveyed the damage. He mapped out the ruins. He built the plan in the shadow so he could lead with authority in the light. Most of you were trying to survey the wall at 9 a.m. while the enemies of distraction are already throwing stones at you. You're trying to find God's will for your day while your Slack notifications are screaming at your attention. You cannot hear the still small voice over the sound of morning commute. The Night-0 secret is about returning to the Genesis order. We set the order in the evening so we can reign in the morning. Now let's talk about the science of why this works. It's a concept called decision fatigue. Psychologists have proven that you have a limited battery of willpower and decision-making energy every single day. Every choice you make, no matter how small, drains the battery. If you wake up and have to decide, what should I wear? What should I eat? Which email is important? What is my one big win for today? You're burning king fuel on subject tasks. By the time you are actually seated to do deep work, to solve that high-level problem or architect that new solution, your battery is at 40%. You are literally giving your calling your leftover energy. Cal Newport, the author of Deep Work, talks about the attention residue. When you start your day reactively, your brain stays fractured all day long. But when you use the Night-0 protocol, you automate the what? You outsource the mundane decisions to your past self. When you wake up, you aren't a thinker. You are an executor. You wake up with a decree. Your feet hit the floor and you already know exactly where the first stone of the wall is being laid. That is how you outthink and outpace your competition. So, how do we actually do this? I'm going to show you my Night-0 Triage. It's a 3-step process I run inside Notion every single night. Step 1 is the brain dump. I take every anxiety, every task, every to-do swelling in my head and I get them on paper. I write the vision and I make it plain. If it stays in your head, it's a ghost. If it's on the screen, it's a project. Step 2, the AI filter. This is where the magic happens. I feed that messy list into my Night-0 AI audit. I ask the machine, which of these tasks are shallow labor and which are kingdom territory? The AI helps me see the patterns I'm too tired to see at 10 p.m. It filters out the 80% that doesn't matter. Step 3, the decree. I put one thing, just one. I call this my one big win. I don't leave it as a task like work on project X. I write it as a decree. Tomorrow by 11 a.m., the strategic proposal will be finished and sent. Look at my dashboard. See how clean this is? There are no maybes here. When I go to sleep, my subconscious isn't worrying. It's processing the solution for the decree I just wrote. I wake up. I spend my 6 minutes in the Word, the anchor. I look at my decree, the aim, and I move, the activate. Your homework for tonight. Download the notes template in the description. Before you go to bed, do not open TikTok. Open the Night-0 audit. Write your one decree for tomorrow. Stop being a subject to your schedule. Start architecting your authority. I'll see you tomorrow for day 2, where we are going to break the lie that you have to choose between God and your success. Let's build.